Haiti is very much a thorn in the hemisphere, but the United States has not yet figured out how to alleviate the pain. Obviously, we cannot condone the type of government that exists there. It goes against our philosophical ideals and is unhealthy from a political standpoint. But Haiti cannot be ignored. It will not go away if we close our eyes. Haitian exiles scattered about the Bahamas, U.S., Cuba, and the Dominican Republic apparently have neither the strength nor the organization for a successful overthrow, and Duvalier would not topple easily. He appears to be in tighter control than the rulers who went before him. He leaves the palace only for official events, and these are rare. On the plus side, Duvalier does work extremely hard. His regime probably boasts less widespread graft and corruption than those which have marked Haitian government since it began. He is very much an anti-communist and was the first in the hemisphere to cut diplomatic ties with Castro's Cuba. The United States no longer gives Haiti financial aid. There is a fear in Washington that Duvalier will pocket the cash. But the Haitian president has said, if not money, then food. And he said the U.S. can distribute it directly. It would seem that the world's richest nation could do something for the hemisphere's poorest, from a humane standpoint alone. The country needs food, medical aid, public works assistance, agricultural enlightenment, and higher quality education. It can use more tourism and foreign capital. To isolate Haiti because of its dictatorship is to deprive nearly 5 million people of even a hope for a better life. And in the process, we may be forcing the nation to turn away from free world interests. There is trouble in Cuba, there is trouble in the Dominican Republic. Haiti sits in the middle.